Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Tonight's nightcap, I put some more of the Hawker steam engine on. That seems to be getting some really good views, fantastic comments as well. And I also do a little job for myself. The 4-jaw chuck and the rotary table, I make a little tool to line them up with. That's enough talking. Let's get on and get some videos done. I finished off machining the 14 nuts and shortening and modifying the bolts to hold this vise onto the rotary table. I need a method of centralising the rotary table onto the milling machine and also a method of centralising the chuck. It is a 4-jaw chuck, but I still want it to run nice and true. I found this in a friend's shop the other day. Number 2 Morse taper, because it's a number 2 Morse taper in there. And what I think I'll do is I'll machine this down, because that bit there will be soft. Put some threads on it, and I can screw a boss on there. It'll be a good fit in the centre hole of the chuck, and it'll do 2 jobs in one. And I'll also centre drill the end of it, so we can use that as a pickup point to locate the table nice and accurately on the milling machine. So the first thing I'll do is find a piece of material that's going to be a good fit in there, and I'll drill and tap that to see if I'm to take the chuck on and off the lathe, because I want to obviously mount that in the Morse taper adapter straight into the spindle. I'll see what I can find that's going to fit in there. It's slightly bigger than 30mm, and once it's screwed onto here, it can be machined as part of the job. I found a piece of suitable bar. I'm going to drill and tap the end of this 12mm, and I can machine it to size once I get it screwed onto the mandrel, or the arbor, or whatever you want to call it. The finished over on this will be 30, so I'm going to take a little bit off it. It's actually 38 now. I think it's 38. Yeah, 38. And take a 2mm, couple of 2mm cuts of it. So it'll be finished machined on it when it gets fitted into its mandrel. That'll do to 32 now. Just going to countersink the end of that hole so it screws up onto the shoulder nicely. 4 centres these in, 2 of them and number 2 and number 3, and they're really handy for cleaning tapers out. So little bits of metal is picking up, really handy. And so that's the broken drill we're going to use. I've got a collar that goes onto here to protect that, but somebody's got to lend it because they're going to make a collar chuck and they're using it for a pattern. Right, that should be soft there. Hopefully we can cut it off and get some threads into it. It is soft. That bit's glass hard, but it's softer there. So these are really handy to keep if you ever break a drill or you find broken drills or bastardised drills at car boot sales. I always buy them just to use a bit of material off, really. Right, we'll part it off. I need to get some tips for me tip parting tool. I haven't had any for quite some time now. I'll probably end up screw cutting that instead of trying to run a die down it, but we need to take them down to 12mm first. Turn that tip round, it's actually, the end's actually chipped. This cheap and cherry bamboo tooling is done me very well. I've used it for a long time now. For the cost of tips are amazingly good quality for what you pay for them. Slightly better. $12mm dead on. I use the blunt tips in that tool hole, like a chamfer tool I do if you are. I'm going to screw cut it, so I'll put a little recess in for the screw cutting tool to drop into, just to make life easy. Right, it's all set up to cut the thread, so we'll touch this off. Just get a thread here and check the pitch when it looks right. 1.75, indeed 1.75 it is. It's a 175 thread, so I'm actually reversing the lathe. Although it's a metallic lathe, I've had problems before trying to pick up a 175 thread using a dial indicator, so a little job like this, it's quicker just to reverse the lathe. This will probably be the last pass, possibly this one in the spring cut. That's nice. I'll wash it off with some brake cleaner and then put some Loctite on and screw it on, and I'm going to machine that. And there's no actual lure on this, just trying to locate something. Right, that'll do. So now we can machine that to fit the chuck and centre drill it once we get the length right. We want a 30 mil, 30.6 now. Dead on 30 that. Right, that's nice. Just a job. Well, that's convenient, wasn't it? Very convenient. And so that drops into there. That goes onto there. Need that shortened a little bit, I'll measure that. But that's going to work out fine. It's going to line the chuck up. But more so I'll have a centre point in there to line up the rotating table. Right, that's when you clear the screws at that, so I need that much taken off the end of the piece of bar, which is accurate as it needs to be. Right, so that's still run nice and true. I need some off that face there. Using my rough and ready method. 8 mil. Simple as that. It's a pure friction drive on that most taper. There's no keys or nothing. Just broke through with the void, doesn't matter. I'm just going to put a centre in there just in case it tries to push it out of the tape. Well, I do think it would, but all it takes to do that, it's not a lot really, is it? Right, happy days. Right, so that simply drops into there. Chuck fits like that. I can get a centre in there to line it all up with. I've actually got a job to do on this table. This is why I'm doing this now. I may also get a 3-jaw chuck for this, I'm not sure. I'll have to sort of play it by ear, I suppose. See how much use I actually keying it's in the wrong way around, John. Better. Come on. Come on. Good. I mean, obviously the 4-jaw chuck means you can grip a regular shaped object. You can also grip round objects, so it's not as quick as an ordinary 3-jaw chuck, but it's more versatile.